Nadine Lustre, hindi pa readyng magka-baby.
Definitely not for right now.
But I would say that's something that we're not aligned with.
Sa kabila ng 5 years relationship niya ngayon, inamin ni Nadine na matagal na nila napag-uusapan ng partner niyang si Chris ang pagkakaroon ng kids. Pero ayon sa kanya, hindi pa niya nakikita ang sarili niyang maging isang
It's
mother.
definitely not for right now.
But I would say that's something that we're not aligned with. Because siya kasi he wants kids. Ako right now, I don't know if I want kids. So we're very different in that. Siguro kung may challenge kami dalawa
Hindi niya sure kung gugustuhin niya rin magkaanak. Baka mayroon pa siyang inaantay.
I don't want to be with anyone anymore. Said
That's
that.
true, and I
That's
tell him
good.
that all the time.
Wow.
In so many
Mataas
ways.
na yung standards ko.
Yeah.
Currently po ay 32 years old na po si Nadine at si Chris naman around 30s. Parehong bata pa naman at both stable na ang income pero wala silang anak. Given na business owner itong isa at actress naman itong si Nadine. Kaya for sure, malaki guys yung mga savings ng mga to. Kung sino pa yung madaming income, sila pa yung madamot magkaanak. Tapos yung iba dyan, anak ng anak, wala namang savings. Sabi ng ilang mga netizens, basahin natin. Salute to Nadine, the way she understands the struggle and beauty of motherhood, even without experiencing it herself, shows her intelligence, empathy, and depth as a person. Totoo, si Nadine choice niya yan. Being a mom is like a leader in a battalion of soldiers na kailangan handa ka sa lahat ng magiging desisyon mo at aksyon na gagawin mo. Hindi biro ang pagiging nanay, but she is ready, lahat ay madali. Kaya nga, dapat acceptance yan. People should be more open to this kind of conversation. Hindi lahat ng babae gusto maging nanay, and we're entitled to make that choice, period. Wow! Powerful ha? Maaaring emotionally hindi pa ready si Nadine, lalo pat active pa sa showbiz at minsan nagsiswimming pa siya sa Siargao. Baka gusto niya pang i-enjoy yung lifestyle, no? Nung pagiging sexy, yung mga pagpo-post sa IG. Mahalaga naman is at peace siya dun sa guy. Kayo guys, ano ba sa tingin nyo dapat pinaghahandaan bago magkapamilya? I-comment nyo dito sa baba.